What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. My name is Ty and behind me is my M6. It's an F13 coupe and I'm putting in some gloss black kidney grills today to replace this chrome. Just kind of the last major piece of chrome on the car, so I figured I might as well get rid of it. I already wrapped the side vents and the door handles. I'll put a link to that video up in the corner right there. I thought this would be pretty straightforward because my E46, the grills are actually part of the hood, but it appears that I'll have to take apart at least the top section of my bumper to get access to the clips on the back of these. So this might be a little more intense than I had initially thought. So I'm gonna go grab some tools and then get started. All right, since BMW is super bougie, they like to use these T30 bits, which is like a star bit. And so I'm gonna take off all of these and these little plastic clips. I've got my trim removal plastic tools. I should be able to reach behind here and hit all of these clips and pop these grills out and slide the new ones right in. Luckily, since I've had like a zillion BMWs, a T30 was somewhere in my toolbox. Otherwise, these suck to find, so just buy a set if you have a BMW. Yeah. Also, there's a really great forum thread. I'll put it in the description below. If you have an M6, there's like a bunch of DIY stuff, so I just hopped on there really quick. I was able to find a quick guide on how someone did this. They've got like downpipe installs, bumper removals, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get whipping on this. These clips, these little plastic ones. If you can see back there, little tiny clips all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop all those off and get these grills out. Got the first one out. Notice how my arm is now jammed in here. That sucks. Definitely a pain in the butt to get to all the clips. Hopefully I didn't break any of them. I don't think I did. So you're looking at 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, 1, 2 on the side, and then 1, 2, 3 at the top. New one should slide right in. I also took out a couple of these other tabs so that this piece would flap more, so I could peel the corner of the bumper back a little bit. After messing around with some of these clips in here, I was able to pry them out far enough to where they would stick. And so my idea of switching out just the trim didn't work. The fitment's a little weird. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop this back off and slide it on here and hopefully it works. Cool, so that ended up working. That is the black one, obviously, and that's the factory chrome. Kinda hard to focus on it, there we go. So that's the difference. Fitment is pretty much the same once you get those clips to work. So not too bad. I mean, these are eBay parts. eBay parts are hit or miss, and yeah, those seem to actually clip in pretty good after I adjusted those clips. And so now I'm gonna do the other side. I think the key is gonna be to pry these tabs up ahead of time as much as I can without breaking them. And that should help with them seating properly in there. Cannot recognize lens, attach it properly. Considering I just dropped this, I don't think this is ever gonna work again. Great. Well, rest of the video on the good old phone. Install this part first with this off. That way you can pry up all the tabs while you're sliding it in there. Once this is nice and secure, this piece will slide in on top. Car's outside. Definitely has different kind of feel to it now as I lose a crock. I'm losing crocks for you guys. Pretty sweet. I don't know, kind of gives it more of a stealth look, definitely Stormtrooper. The other parts that are already blacked out are these side vents, and then this was chrome before, so this is black as well. And then I have the carbon fiber mirror caps to match the roof, black wheels. The only thing left is those reflectors, the emblems, and then there's an emblem on the back. And that's pretty much the only stuff left. But definitely looks mean. So back here, this is staying for now, and then there's chrome around the back emblem and backup camera, which I really don't know. Maybe I'll have to just vinyl wrap it, so I'm not sure if they sell a piece for that. It's pretty specific. And then I want to get the whiteouts for those orange things. And then it's pretty much set exterior wise, besides like diffusers and other crap down the road. But for eBay front grills, not gonna complain. Pain in the butt to install, that I'll complain on. But otherwise, pretty slick. Now I'd film a super awesome B-roll sequence on my gimbal with my camera, but as you saw, my lens totally just like earlier, so that's a major bummer. I would say I would much rather have not gotten the grills in, but had my camera work. So gotta figure that out now. Otherwise, car is looking pretty sweet. Again, if you want to see how I vinyl wrap those side vents, there'll be a link in the little button thing on the screen, and also a playlist of all my other M6 videos. I have more parts coming, believe it or not, but since all the pandemic stuff, the manufacturing and production rate of things has really slowed down. So instead of getting parts shipped to me as they're made at the, at the building, factory, warehouse, whatever, now it's a 5 to 13 business day lead time, and I'm at about day 12. So hopefully in the next few days I'll get that shipping confirmation, and we'll have some cool stuff coming. Car's gonna be a beast, don't you worry. As always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. The M6 is out and about. It is getting hot here in Michigan, and summertime's upon us. We also have a rally coming up at the end of next month, so that's gonna be super fun. Hopefully I can fix my camera by the next video I make. I really just need to buy a lens, but I really don't want to buy a lens because I want to buy car parts. So I don't know, but subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.